All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. So all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. Okay, so we are BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we teach you guys the tips and tricks on how to pass JAMB post UTME examination. All right, so and not only that, we also help our registered candidates to secure admission. I will guide them from beginning to the end. All right, so if you want to become one of our candidates, you let me know in the comment section, because we have a WhatsApp community. So you let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, you want to become one of our members. Then I will give you my WhatsApp number. You will message me on WhatsApp so that I will add you to our community. Okay, so now I've made a video before because my candidate asked me a question. Of course, I promise that I'll be any question I receive from my candidate, I will definitely come here to answer the question, so that my subscribers here will also learn from the questions. Okay, so they asked me a questions, and I've answered some of them here. They asked me about the institutions in Nigeria that doesn't write post UTME. Okay, that's the question. Institutions in Nigeria that doesn't write post UTME. So I have done the state, I've done the federal, I've done some part of the private. So I will also complete. I want to do a very part. I want to continue from where I stopped the last time. So basically, stay from the beginning of this video to the end so that you understand if, or you know if your institution is among. Okay, if your institution is not among there, still stay tuned for the other or update, or for the other part of the video. But if after watching the end part of the video and your institution is not there, then you know that your institution doesn't write post UTME. Okay, so I'll start from number one, which is Joseph Ayo Babola University. Okay, so you can use your Google search engine to search or to know more about these institutions. Okay, the next one is Kwarafa University. Kwarafa University, that's the second one. The third one on our list is Landmark University. Landmark University, third one on our list. Then the fourth one on our list is Lead City University. Lead City University. So the fifth one on our list is Madonna University. Madonna University. The sixth one on our list is Mafferson University. Okay, where the seventh one on our list is Nigerian Turkish Nile University. It's popularly known as Nile University. They don't even call it Nigerian Turkish. It's Nile University. All right. So the last one, which is where I will stop the video, is Novena University. Novena University. So this is where I'll be dropping, or this is where I'll be stopping this video. Okay, at Novena University. So this university, Novena, is located at Delta State. Okay, so if your if your private university of your choice is not among here, you can check out for other video. All right, so you can share with some of your friends. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, so if you have any further anything that is bothering you and want me to know, let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer you. Okay, so I love you guys, and until I see you in my next video again, keep winning.